How to control the angle and distance prompts in Midjourney. I will show you several angles that you can use in your prompts and give your pictures a new touch. We'll start with an eye-level shot. Think of it as a headshot with very little surrounding context. Another is medium shot. This is a shot that goes from the subject's waist, or sometimes knees, to their head. Long shot shows the entire subject from head to toe and places that subject in relation to their surroundings. Now, something a little different shot from behind. This shot doesn't even need a comment. Macro shot is extreme close-up photography, usually of very small subjects and living organisms like insects, in which the size of the subject in the photograph is greater than life size. Another is high-angle shot. It is a technique where the camera looks down at the subject from above, when you see someone or something from a higher perspective. Opposite is low-angle shot, from a camera angle positioned anywhere below the eye line pointing upward. The aerial shot is a classic camera angle that captures a bird's eye view of the action going on below. Ground level shot captures what is in the shot at ground level, such as feet or perhaps a figure lying on the ground. And last one is extreme fisheye shot. Is it an extreme wide-angle optic that allows you to capture a distinctive and distorted view of the world? Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.